Let's talk about why young people are not going into skilled trades.
I think first and foremost, there still is a perception problem with a lot of these jobs. There's this idea that they are, you know, blue-collar, dead-end, low-paying jobs. When you look at the numbers, that's simply not true.
Not the truth,
Yeah, it's really not true.
What do the numbers tell us?
So sort of combating that. So you know, if we look at the pay rates, electrician, a plumber, you know, a few years in, are going to be making 40% above the national average.
Yeah, so you look at these kids that are going to college, and they're going to college, and they're not really sure what they're going to college for. They're coming out with a degree that they really can't use, and they can't get a job. So if you take a young kid that's gone to work in the trade, starting out as a laborer, what trade it is, doesn't matter. In 4 years, he's worked his way up that ladder, and he's making a pretty good living.
Exactly, yeah. So the opportunity cost, if he or she were to go to college and that didn't work out, I mean, it sort of multiplies.
They're getting paid. They don't have the debt after that 4 years, and they're making some money.
And then there's job security, because as we're talking here, I mean, this problem's going to get worse before it gets better. So these are very, very secure jobs.
What's driving the perception problem?
Me, I feel as if it's if it's the schools. I mean, they took all of these shop classes out of these junior high schools. The kids were just brought aware that they could do something with their hands, never using a tool.
Did you have shop in high school?
Absolutely.
Did you have shop in your high school?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, definitely.
We didn't have shop in my high school. It wasn't even an option.
We had it, and I loved it. I mean, we went to shop, and you know.
I hope you loved it. If you didn't love it.
I did. I loved it. I mean, I learned to work on a lathe when I was in 7th grade. You know, and
it took that long.
It took me that long. Yeah. Just getting kids aware that they can use these to make some money.
Absolutely.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.